Hello, everybody. This is the day I've been waiting for and also dreading. Today I have an opening for you of the Disney's Muppet Wishables. Hi, everybody. Welcome to my channel. My name is Deanna. And today I am going to open 5 mystery bags of the Disney Wishables or the Muppet Wishables. The reason why I am so scared is because I've been watching people open these and get multiples. And I'm not talking just 1 or 2, 3 at the most. Somebody opened their bags, they ordered 10. Was it 10 Miss Piggies they got? Somebody else opened their bags. They bought like 7 or 8 bags. They got 1 Gonzo and the rest were Sam's. Another one opened their 12 bags. It was all Sam and 1 Gonzo. So I felt these bags, guys. I don't know what's in it. So I'm just going to start opening it. This one, for some reason, I think it's Sam, but I can't tell. I was trying to feel for the hat, trying to feel for the ears, trying to feel for Gonzo's nose. I don't know. So these are the ones that you can get. Okay, you get Sam Eagle, Gonzo, Fozzie Bear. I really want Fozzie Bear. Miss Piggy. I could give 2 hoots about Miss Piggy. Watch these all be Miss Piggy. Now, there's a variant, and the variant is Sam with like an Uncle Sam hat on, red, white, and blue. And there's also one that you can just buy outright, and that's Kermit the Frog, which I did buy, but it wasn't in this package. It's coming in its own little package from Shop Disney. Without further ado, people, I'm going to open the first bag of Wishables. I think it's Sam. I'm so scared. It's Sam. Guys, this is the variant, okay? This is supposedly very hard to get. I've seen people get these in multiples. Okay, so let's just take a look at him. He's got his little hat on. It's a red, white, and blue Uncle Sam hat. He's got a little tie on. Cufflinks on his little feather hands. His big little feet there. His eyebrows are very bushy. You know, I think this is my least favorite one. The one with the Uncle Sam hat, even though I'm very patriotic. But anyway, okay, so, 1. Now, this one doesn't feel like that one, but you never know, because I'm notoriously bad at feeling. Okay. This is Sam the Eagle without the hat, so this is one of the choices that you can get in here. Okay, so I'm 2 for 2. I should stop right now. These are incredibly smooth and soft. When I was younger and I'd go into a store and they'd have like a velvet jacket or something, and I always stand there and feel it. This is very incredibly soft and squishy. He's cute. I like him better than I like this one. Oh, his eyebrows are really nice on that side, though. His eyebrows are nicer. Okay, guys. 3 more bags. I think this is a Sam the Eagle. I think this is something else. So I'm going to open this one. I think that other one's Sam the Eagle. Uh-oh. freaking Sam the Eagle. I'm gonna be freaking pissed if all of mine are Sam the Eagle. If those are Sam the Eagles, I'm okay. This one is Sam the Eagle with the freaking hat. I already know it. I think this is a Sam the Eagle. I think I got all Sam the Eagles. I'm gonna be so pissed. These things cost $15 a piece. You don't mind pulling duplicates, even triplicates, but you order 5 and you get 5 Sam the Eagles? That would really, really, really piss me off. The only reason, yep, this is a Sam the Eagle. The only reason I bought this because it was the Muppets and they were so cute. Yep, this is a Sam the Eagle. And this is a Sam the Eagle. I can tell I'm feeling the feet. These are all Sam the Eagle. I'm returning this one and that one. Guys, that's my video. I'm pretty sure I got all 5 Sam the Eagles. I would have rather have all Fozzie Bear. Pissed me off. That really pissed me off. Should I open the other 2? I might as well, right? It's Sam the Eagle. It is Sam the Eagle. This is the variant. Yeah, this is the variant. Shop Disney, you guys need to do better, okay? No one minds getting multiples, but are you freaking kidding me? You pulled these off in the same bag or box or crate and you're gonna give people all the same thing? I'm done with you, Shop Disney. I'm serious. Anyway, everyone have a nice day.